Everything you can find it along this street. Whoa. Crazy. Man, look at this. Some beautiful shoes. Some nice shoes.
Zingira maisha yao, zingira biashara zao. Hakuna uchawi hapa, hakuna ushirikina mali hapa, hakuna
one thing you have realized, if you're a YouTuber and you're seeing this, listen to me carefully. If anybody asks you whether you are filming, actually, this idea came from one of my subscribers. If anybody asks you, are you filming me? Tell them, yes, I am. Tell them on their eyes, yes, I am filming you. And they will do nothing to you, like nothing, you know? Yeah. Now look at this. Look at this now. I'm telling you, today, man, chaos. Whoa. It's another day, man. Look at this. Crazy. This area, this place is known as Wakulima Market, you know? Or in Swahili, it's Soko in Swahili. That's a language of East Africa, you know? In Swahili, they actually call it Soko, where they come to buy some groceries and many things, you see? You can also hear some people shouting aloud. Yeah, like this. You see? People will ask you whether they are calling. All what you need to do is to say yes. They have nothing to do with you, you know? Yeah, they have nothing to do with you. And you are gone. Nothing they will do. Yeah. They can't do anything. Extremely nothing, you know? Yeah. So what if everybody says, as in like kind of, you don't have to film me, you don't have to film me. So you can do your work, you know? That's what they want to bring about. So I don't have to film. Actually, I'm doing my work, you know? You know? Yeah. But also you can see some people, you see? People are gone now. I'm on a very private road here. There is no more business going on around this place. Very few business going on here. It's kind of a parking lot, you know. Those people who are working that side, it's like a parking lot. So as I was saying, some people actually do like when you film and they are like vibing and saying good things or crazy things, you know. And there you are. You have to understand these things. So if you are a YouTuber, all what you need to do is do your work and go. Just do your work and go, and everything will be fine, you know. Everything will be all fine. So guys, tell me, how do my shades look like? Do I look like a criminal? Just tell me, comments down here, how do I look like? And I don't need them. I'm like that if I don't have shades. And I wear it like that. That's how I look, you know. There is another very, very busy street here. Let me show you. One of the busiest streets. So this is the Jami Mosque. One of the very known places. One of the very, very known places in Nakuru. You know? This is one of the most known places here in Nakuru. Yeah. Here is the mosque. in the middle of the town, the middle of CBD. Actually, at this building, this is where I did my driving course. That was my driving school budget. Long time ago, like 7 years ago. You know? So I have to take this route here. And, one thing I have realized about my camera, people are surprised. I don't know why. Most people are surprised. Like, what kind of a camera is it? It looks tiny, actually. It looks tiny. For those of you who knows a GoPro, they know what I mean. It looks tiny, very tiny. The sun is shining like crazy here. Look at this, man. So, many people have never seen this kind of a camera allowed there. You see? Today, guys, I'm taking you around the streets of Nakuru like crazy, man. Like crazy. Yeah. I don't think I have ever did this. We're into the deepmost part of Nakuru. There is a bus here going like crazy. Maybe it's carrying some money. Maybe it have some money. Yeah, that company is highly trusted here in Kenya. I think we have a nice security because most of the places or in most banks, you can just find it there, taking or bringing some money, you know. You can find it there, it's not a surprise. I think it's one of the most trusted company here in Kenya. Wow. So guys, that's how things are today. So actually this place, you see this line, it goes up to Kenyatta Avenue, and this is where you can get one of the best quality of football shoe or a football, you know. This is one of the best ones. You can find those things, the best quality, that is, you know. A mutuba, here in Kenya we call it a mutuba, a second-hand goods, you know, some second-hand shoe from Europe. Some, no, I think was actually the army. You know, wow. This street looks busy. We look busy here like crazy, man. Wow, and there is a beautiful hotel here with a lot of flags. We have a Japan flag, Germany. I can see Igrad. I can see which country is this actually? Maybe if you know the country that owns this flag here.